Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's vlog is pretty nice and I'm gonna show you this whole look and the view that just looks super mesmerized, beautiful, and I do not have any words. So this is the place I never knew that I'm living in a place जहाँ पे एक ये भी जगह है, and this is a spot where you'll find not so many people and all you just feel like a peace और बहुत ही कोई perfect location है. If you're looking for peaceful food, not too many people watching, audience, and you can just see that if I'm able to capture this moment. It's a tennis court in the middle of the this lake, and this place is called JLT, Jumeirah Lakes Tower, and you can just see the view and the tallest building. This is how it is. और यहाँ पे बहुत सारे restaurants हैं, different kind of cuisines you will find Vietnam, even Indian, Papa John's, normal food, fast food, and also you can see hot pot here I just found, and also there is Angelica Beauty Salon. So I think the people those are living here, it's very convenient कि हर shops available हैं. I think where we are living, the most important thing we are looking for, if you're having your family or you're having kids, you need little mini marts or कोई beauty salon या फिर any kind of options here. So I must say, wow. So I thought I should make a small vlog on it, and जो यहाँ पे रह रहे हैं या जिनको नहीं मालूम इस जगह का, because this is the first time I'm also here and I never knew that this place also exists near to my home. So it's all the way from metro. I didn't use metro at all, but just by the walking हम यहाँ पे आ गए, the other side of the metro, and this is how it is. I'll definitely gonna put the address, and here they have given a separate track for cycling or if you are using a scooter. So this is how they have designed, and this is for us, like we are walking, and this one we cannot walk here because this is just for the cycling or for the scooters. And see what I found. It's a skating board, and then there's a basket court as well, and then there's football court, I believe. So amazing. I mean, it's good for the kids, and also it's kind of a park, I believe. I'm not so sure because this is the first time I'm also watching it, but it's pretty good. And this is how you're gonna walk all the way through the pedestrian bridge, and wow. So here is the court, the football court, and just look at the greenery and the little mini fountain there, and they have also set up some benches to sit and enjoy the view. But I believe that to enjoy such kind of views you must visit in winter if you are tourist or if you're planning to visit in Dubai and explore such places, because in summers you'll drain, seriously. It's pretty hot, but if you are actually living and you wanted to live in JLT, JBR, mostly Europeans or the people, the white people, I believe, I would say, they live here and they like living here because of the view, because of the many things they have placed for for the people who's living in rents, or they are working, or they are sharing They have a lot of stuffs there, options here, Carrefour, mini marts, cafes. ऐसी बना के मैं चल रही हूँ, ठीक है? So the thing is, we don't know where are we right now. और जहाँ पे हमें जाना था, we're not sure. It's showing pretty far from the Google map. So we decided कि क्यों ना we should get the scooty or else cycling, but I don't know how to do the two-wheel cycle. My father always trained me for 4 wheels, and that's the problem. I cannot do cycling. How am I gonna stand? You're going, leaving me behind. Even I don't know how to do scooty as well, like this. I cannot balance. I wish, I would have learned when in my childhood. I think he's gone. Anyways, I'm here with you all. And also, you will find a lot of open gyms here in JBR or JLT area. And you can see, if I'm able to zoom in for you guys, see how they have set up. And you will find in a lot of places, mostly in JBR, beside the lake. Oops, sorry. I mean, beside the lake or any garden or park here.
अच्छा कुछ खाना है।
They have given a Bollywood style, like this Munna by MBBS, then there's Lagan, and there's other bites, camera, action. So this is the whole vibe.
That's